Alright, what's up my people? Finally, it's the first of the month. Today is 1st October, Wednesday 1st October. Time is 2:22. We had red folder news at 1:15 and we have more news at 3 o'clock, so I'm going to wait until 3 o'clock to enter any trades. Alright, let's jump into this weekly. We are still bullish, but I would want to see a retracement back into here. 1 second, let me mark out 2:30 to 5. Alright, so weekly was bullish, daily same. I think with respect to this bullish daily fair value gap. Daily fair value gap. We're inside there again. Could see us come up and target those highs. Also respected this one down here. So we are bullish on the daily and weekly. In terms of 4 hour though. 4 hour. Oh, 4 hours a bit. Four-hour is bullish, but at the same time we are respecting bearish and disrespecting bullish, making our way down. Respecting bearish again. Respected, push lower. It's only here that we started really disrespected here. And yeah, we're currently, we technically disrespected this. And if we respect this right here, then yeah, we got this bearish 4 hour. Got this bearish 4 hour that looks to be respecting, but we have these equal highs up here that I want to get seen taken. Alright, in terms of hourly, we have these equal highs right here, which is a clear drawn liquidity, and this hourly gap up here, bearish, so we could push up into here, respect and continue lower, targeting maybe even this fair value gap here on the hourly, all the way down here. So we got those equal highs. Hourly. It's an hourly low, but I feel like it will be one of the session lows, either I think Asia session low most likely. You have this all the way up here, which is an hourly high. We're not really considering any of these any hourly highs. That's an hourly low over here. Hourly low, but you know what, I'll leave it marked as an hourly low, and then we have the hourly fair value gap. And we have disrespected this, but it could be just a retracement back up into here, which is equilibrium at the same time on the hourly. Came back into EQ, could be moving lower, but I want these highs to get taken. Okay, jumping onto the 5 minute. Oh, this is good. We've got stacked Asia and London lows. This is nice London low. Got London high over here with these equal highs, so that could be a nice draw on liquidity. London high. I mean, in terms of, get rid of this 4 hour. In terms of draws, either way is good. Asia high. Either way is good. Why? Because we have these stacked session lows. We have equal highs with London highs. So if price wants to dump, we'll tap into here and we catch a reversal back up to these highs. Or we create an SMT up here and we can target these lows down here. Regardless, either way is good. Just gonna have to wait for the news at 3 o'clock to hit. Let's do ES. Alright, ES obviously weekly is going to be bullish. We have this gap over here on the second and mark out 230 and 5. Alright, daily. No really fair value gaps on the daily except from this one that got respected a while ago. So daily technically is bullish. 4 hour. Swept these highs and there's this 4 hour gap currently being respected. We're disrespecting bullish. All these bullish PDRAs, you got this gap over here being respected. So ideally I want price to push lower. Alright, 1 hour. Mark out these equal highs on the hourly, which is probably London highs. We have this hourly fair value gap resting above. An hour gap, and then we have this hourly high all the way up here. But I wouldn't want to target that. We have hourly lows. We have hourly fair value gap. No way off, just marking it out. Market's open, we could just dump to it. Bullish. 1 hour. And then we have hourly lows. Right. Okay, what I want to do is get rid of this and then add this here. Bullish. 1 hour. Okay, we jump onto the 5 minute over here. Again, we got the stacked highs. 1 second, hourly. Those weren't equal highs. 5 minute, this was equal highs on the right there, and then we have, and oh, I already took it. And then high, equal highs, get rid of that, just leave them on a high one there. And then we'll mark out these Asia low, London low. Okay, we've got Asia high all the way up here. Ideally I would want one pair to take Asia high and not the other. Okay, so that I can get rid of all of these. I'm going to leave this there for now. Leave that there for now until it takes it. Same with this right here. Equal highs, no more. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Okay, those equal highs got taken. Nice. See London high there. Forget about these equal highs. One more. Come on, 5 minute. Oh, this one looks like it's going to be the one that takes Asia high. But regardless, I'm here until 3 o'clock. Normally until 3 o'clock to take my trade. For now, I'll just stay on this hourly. Did you take Asia high or leave equal highs over there? I swear I left equal highs. Oh, I just missed it by a pip. I didn't take the high just yet. This one looks like it's more of a chance to take it. Okay. See how this goes. Four-hour gap is all the way down here. Closes in 24 minutes. Make it blue. Come here, 4 hour. Let's see how the 4 hour closes. And there we go, Asia high got taken over here. There we go, Asia high got taken on here but not over there. So, it could be a nice little S&T. And we can short all the way down to these stack session lows. 4 o'clock yesterday. Some Trump spoke. We didn't do much. Let's jump on 1 minute. So when he spoke, he done nothing. Oh, this one is next. Going to take the Asia high. There we go. Asia highs got taken on both. It's no longer an S&T. Session opened, we ripped to the upside on both. See if we take the hourly highs up here, maybe create an S&T with easy hourly highs. create a S&T of maybe those highs. I don't know, but we'll see. Because NQ started to move lower once ES is still pushing up higher. Maybe take out these highs or these highs and then move lower. For now, there's no S&T in play. This blue line is the top of the 4-hour gap, the 4-hour fair value gap. So let's say I would want to see price close below here to respect it, but we also have this 1-hour one that we could be respecting. If news hits and we take out both highs on each pair, then I'm calling it a day. My draws were these London and Asia lows, and maybe even an hourly bullish fair value gap. So if we don't get a tap in, we don't get a retracement into any of those before taking out those highs, then I don't know how lucky you don't want to trade it. We're going to respect this, we'll just push up higher to this 30 minute, which hopefully, I don't want to see. And we did get this 5-minute S&T where when news hit, when open market open, we took out this low. Also there, we didn't take out that low, creating an S&T. We could get retracing back into here to continue upwards. But my bias was to target these stack session lows. So we shall see. This session, this today trading feels so long. It's like I can't keep my eyes open. I'm looking tired as hell. I have a feeling that today will be a quick one where I won't trade. I mean, it's the first of the month. I'll wait until news. We'll see what news does. If something I don't like, then I'm going to call it a day. I'm done trading. And yeah, I'll be back the next day. 4-hour candle, it's the same as this one. So when this candle closes, the 4-hour one closes as well. What I want to see is for us to maybe close below here, and then the 4-hour wicks moves back up here, like around 50% of this wick that's creating right now. So when we're like there, I would want price to then push down lower, targeting those lows. So over here, push that back into here, push back in, and then dump away. That's what I'd want to see. We gotta see some type of SMT equilibrium and inverse fair value gap out of there. Ooh, I was not looking. That might be a nice candle close. At the same time, if we just dump from here, taking out these lows, then that might be a little problem. 4 hour we wicked up. How was that? 245. There's no news at 245. Another 9 minutes. So the next, not this candle, the next candle. Technically, I could short that. Targeting down here, but that's not for me. And I feel like you'll get stopped out. Let's see if we can create this fair value gap over here, or even this inverse fair value gap over here, and then we end up trading back into it on the 1 minute and try to look for an entry in the 1 minute or in 10 minutes. So let's see. You just gotta be slow and sure. Equal lows, yeah. Price has definitely come back to these lows. Equal lows. Equal lows. Closes in 8 minutes. Hourly lows. Veritable hourly lows. I would want it to tap into this hourly fair value gap, if anything. Let's see how this candle closes in 3 minutes. If it closes below the blue line, then we're good. If we don't close below the blue line, it's not the best. Yes, bro. I did say that whenever we have news at 3 o'clock, I won't come until at 2:50. So, we here saying here, I mean, yeah, it's teach me patience, but I can't be asked. I'm just saying, yeah. Watching price move, knowing that I'm not trading it until that 3 o'clock hits. ES is cutting it close with that high. Another high in the fair value gap. Let's close below again. You got 1 minute. See how. Wait a second. It's not this candle. Yeah, it's the next one. Lost my mind. It's the next candle that I want to close below that blue line. We are creating a breaker right there, as well as over here. So 5 more minutes until I can start looking for some type of entry. ES is just generating more liquidity to come take. We got this, we got this. We got this now, we got the open of this fair value gap, and we got London and Asia resting below. So if anything, I could even take my full position at this fair value gap open. Now this is the candle I don't want to see close above that blue line. This is not looking too good, my friend. My friend. If we create SMT with these highs, then I'd want this to come take out this high. Whilst this is still trading within here. If we get that, then my friends, we might be in for a good trade today. I want AQ to take the high. ES is too far from that high. 2 minutes left though. This is what I want to see. SMT. That's what I want to see, right there. Just like this. So, that 15-minute high. That's what I want to see. News is in 1 minute and 12 seconds. Oh, could come and respect these fair value gaps. The 4-hour gap. I'm respecting on NQ. ES might as well. News can come and do nothing as well at the same time. So, just gotta keep that in mind. Oh, it's crazy. Some nice respect. Jump on the 1 minute. Invest this right here. Enter shorts there. That could be my entry. He's got 9 seconds left. Let's see what price wants to do. I mean, barely disrespected it. Let's see what price wants to do now. Could come attack these equal lows. But my initial idea still stands. I want an SMT over here. Even that 1 minute. Should we get tap into this gap over here with the strong close? Right there. Stops at that high. Good thing I'm patient. I wanna see an SMT. Give me an SMT. He's done basically nothing. This was the news. Nothing. A second normal candle. Just moved a lot quicker in different directions compared to the other ones. This as well came, done nothing much. Already got disrespected. Beautiful, my friend. Beautiful, my friend. Beautiful. Beautiful. Come, let's invest this so that we can come take out this high. Get rid of this. Not really what I'm looking at. I low-key do want to change my chart colours, but I won't do it now. Probably do it a different time. So thinking of going back to blue and black. I need to find a nice color blue. A nice shade of blue. Well, this black is nice. I mean, I think it's just normal black. So, that's it. NQ, push up and take out that high. Create me that SMT, my friend. My friend. My friend. My friend. Create that SMT, my friend. I don't know why all this time just to take a quick loss. Or I enter and price just starts moving sideways. So if that happens, I can't have another month like that. Last month was horrendous. Yeah, we're going to create an SMT. I mean, I don't know if we're going to create an SMT, but this is definitely going to take that high. I don't know if this will take that high. I'm currently respecting this fair value gap. SMT, SMT, SMT. What's crazy? I can probably enter a long here, targeting that high for 1-to-1, and it's probably gonna hit for full take profit. Or if I would have waited, I could have entered there. One to two. Right there, sniper entry. Gonna get a sniper exit as well. Not that high. For a quick 1-to-2. Look at this. This right here is what you call bomb ticking. That's what it's called. Bomb tick, top tick, triple tick. So you can tell I'm bored. Ain't no way you come stop me out. You guys gonna come stop me out. Okay, fine, I'll move my stops all the way down here. Protected stops. That's a protected low right there. I'm joking, I'll leave my low right here for 1-to-2. Fine, I won't be greedy. I'll do a 1-to-1. Happy now, I'm doing a 1-to-1. I mean, that's still holding. It's going to take a high now. Can we just go higher? I don't get. Ah, you're taking your time. Hammer. Where is it? Here it is. right there. Go get the magnets out as well. Where's the magnets? It's gonna be here. There you go. This trade's gonna hit full take profit. Oh my days. I found a new strategy, guys. We're going. Come on. Almost there. Gotta move it closer. That's it. On the hit. Just like that. Now we go pickaxe this one back up. I gave up. The magnet is all I can use now. Bingo. That's the new strategy, guys. We're gonna hit full take profit, guys. Gotta be rich. No way there's one-to-one about to hit. Alright, we gonna get that SMT I've been waiting for. Oh my days. What you gotta do is be patient, guys. Be patient. Patience, peace. That's us done for today. Oh, we have this all day. Didn't see this earlier. Shouldn't be anything. Because if it's been all day, then price action should be okay. That's it. Oh my days. I think I found the new strategy, guys. It's gonna hit full take profit. Let's create the SMT with this candle, shall we? So there's a clean SMT with ES as well. It's the highest wick candle. Also, ES want to push up now as well. All you gotta do is sit on your hands and let this run. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Yeah. I'm getting tired of waiting. But it will be worth it. This 5-minute candle, it does not feel like a 5-minute candle. It feels like an hourly. Oh my days. That's moving so slow. Hopefully it's moving slow right now so that when I do enter, that's where all the volatility is, and we end up hitting full take profit quickly. Oh my days, just go up. I swear the next candle better be so strong and so quick. Oh my days. I want a nice quick to the upside. Okay. That's it. Just keep pushing up. Let's go over with S&T. Sorry, this took so long. And then I'd want this to be inversed. So you better not come get rid of it right now. The reason I'm leaving this here is because I want to see when it takes that high, so that I can class as an S&T. And we're coming to get rid of this gap. How fun. And the gap is still there. Oh my days. That's it. Push up higher. Don't be scared now. That's it. Oh my days, this is gonna even lose my mind. This is going to make me lose my mind. I'm gonna lose my mind. Lose my mind. I'm gonna lose my mind. I'm gonna lose my mind. It's over. Lost my mind now. Oh my days. Just take the high. Look over here. This is. I swear, if ES comes and takes the high before NQ does, I'm done. Honestly, so done. I know it's only been 5, 10, almost 13 minutes. But come on. Just take the bloody high. Let me guess, I left equal highs up there. That wasn't equal highs. No, didn't take that high. So much fun. So much fun. Come on. Come on. Finally. Oh my days. It took so long. Damn. Now we gotta see how this candle closes so I can scale down to the 1 minute and sit there. And hopefully capture a nice trade. Bearish. Nope. I'm going to invest this. But if it takes this high, then I'm off for the day, honestly. It has no reason to take this high. Oh, and now we can't take out these 30-minute highs and create an SMT without 30-minute highs. But this is also 30-minute highs. And I don't know. Yeah, this is definitely going to take that. And the SMT is as good as. Go on. This is no longer an SMT, and we both know it. We should start and take that high, because there's no way to leave that high. But if we do take that high, it's gonna be a good day, not a good day. It's gonna be a good day, not a good day. See if we create SMT with this 30-minute highs. It's gonna be a good day, not a good day. Not high, I'll take it. Let's see. Okay, I'll take the 30-minute highs. Never took it over here. Let's see sign now. So if this high gets taken, I'm 100% off for the day. There's no way I'm trading the rest of this day. Price just keeps pushing higher and higher. Hourly count. Cutting it close there, buddy. Well, I'm looking at this. Price is most likely going to continue higher to those as it came into a high time frame. Expecting bullishness. Expected that. Second it takes this high, I'm off and out of here. The reason I left it as a 5-minute inverse is because that's what I want to see. That's not what we get. That's not what we get. You heard? Can even see a tap and then it pushes out of there. Damn. Low-key is like an owl straight nonsense. Honestly might just call it a day. Any trade I take now, low-key might be a low probability because we're so bullish right now after this massive sweep. Yes, we left equal lows. But what time was those equal lows? It was 2 o'clock and 2:30. 2 o'clock, 2:30. See, that was an SMT at that time. So, that's me done for today. Terrible. Not terrible price action, but not what I want to see, honestly. So, I'm going to call it a day. And I'll get my trade journal done. I mean, it's not going to be a quick... It's going to be a quick one, not a long one. Why? Because I didn't take any trades. And, yeah, to prove it, you can see P&L 0. Took nothing today. And I only have this one account. So, gonna lock myself out all day, yes. And I'll be back with my trade journal and trade recap. I'm done with my trade recap and trade journal. It is still the same date, 1st October, and the time is 3:52. Alright, I was trading NQ and ES. I mean, I didn't take any trades, so I just put NQ and ES. Account was EVA, bias was bearish, confluences, basically nothing. We had clean candle structure to an extent. We had a liquidity sweep and technically multi-time frame backing with our hourly fair value gap, but did end up getting inversed. Date was 1st October. Outcome, no entry, P&L 0, risk to reward was 1 to nothing, sell grade, can't really give it anything. And yeah, this was how, not the trade, how price looked. This is how it looked. I think at this point, NQ took the hourly high, and this is still below it from what I last checked. But the more I look at it, the more bullish it seems. But we could have at least tapped back into this fair value gap, or even this one, to then look for longs. But shorts wasn't really the play, and thank God I didn't enter anything. It's a short trade recap. Psychology in the trade and trade recap, I'll give it a 7.5 out of 10. I came into today's session with a bearish bias because of the stacked session lows from London and Asia, a very clean drawn liquidity. Above price, there was also an untapped 1 hour fair value gap, so I knew I could have targeted that if the move set up. Since we had red folder news at 3 o'clock, I made the decision to wait until after the release before considering any entries. From the open until news, both ES and NQ pushed up and swept London and Asia highs. At that point, I was looking for an SMT. Both ES and NQ pushed up and swept London and Asia highs. Oh, I already read that. at those highs to confirm the reversal, but nothing set up. I then shifted my focus to the 30-minute high resting above, thinking maybe the S&T would form from there, but again it never did. That lack of confirmation was the first clear sign that my bearish bias wasn't being respected. Zooming out to the 1 hour, the picture became clear. Price was showing strong bullish momentum and conviction with a clean target at the hourly highs of the previous leg down, where those sessions lows were resting at the bottom. So that's the session lows, and that was the high of that leg down. So price was targeting essentially that high. It made no sense to fight that kind of high time frame momentum, and I knew forcing a trade would only be essentially gambling. So instead of chasing entries, I accepted the session lows were not going to be taken while I was trading, and that even the 1 hour fair value gap wasn't going to hold before continuation. I called it a day with 0 trades. While I didn't make any money today, I preserved my capital and avoided unnecessary losses. More importantly, I proved discipline by not forcing a sell that wasn't there. I mean, today was it wasn't a quick day. I mean, I did sell markets, but hey, you gotta show up every day. This is how markets looked. I mean, we haven't taken it yet, but we're obviously going to take it. We're obviously going to take this high. Well, else we don't take this high, so we could create an S&T maybe with that and then go lower. But I couldn't care less because I'm not trading it. And yeah, that's me done for today. That's the first day of the month. It's reminding me of something. The first trade of the September, no entry. Could have a break even the next day, and then that's just straight losses again. But hopefully, my aim is to cut out all bad trades, and I'm going to get my first win after a while. Any questions? Leave it for me in the comments. I'll be back tomorrow. Is there news tomorrow at 3 o'clock? Thursday? Okay, I'm good to trade whenever. But I feel like waiting until like 2:50 to then start looking for entries. So that's me done for today. Any questions? Leave it for me in the comments. I'll be back tomorrow. Peace and love.